Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to log out Telegram account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. Now go to setting icon, tap on it. Now tap on edit option on top right corner. It will navigate you to this interface. Here scroll down and you will see logout option. Tap on it. You will see this kind of options. If you want to set your password or clear cache, then you can go for that option. For now, let's go to logout and again tap on OK to log out your account. So in this way you can log out Telegram account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.